If you've had an accident in Manhattan or anywhere nearby, Silberstein and Miklos is ready to help. From car and truck accidents to medical malpractice and wrongful deaths, they've got you covered. Don't stress about your legal worries. Focus on getting better while they handle the tough stuff. And if you've had an Uber accident or a problem with a rideshare, they're the ones to call. Remember, these attorneys are all about fighting for you. Need serious help? Just ask for Sam at askforsam.net and get justice on your side. On